Hey, what is up guys, or is Asner from Team AA, and Huawei has still not finished releasing smartphones in 2018, and Huawei has launched another smartphone which is a flagship device called the Huawei Nova 4, and it is really cool device. So Huawei has launched a large bezel-less smartphone without a notch. That's not so unusual these days of course, but the screen has a punch hole in it to house the selfie camera instead. And everything you need to know about the Nova 4 is in this video. So Huawei teased the aspects of the Nova 4 for a long time, and now it is being available and officially launched with a 6.4-inch screen and a full HD plus resolution with a small punch hole on the top left which contains the selfie camera. The 172-gram body is made from glass and measures 7.77mm thick. It comes in 4 new colors: black, blue pearl, white, and a bright honey red. Huawei says special nanotexture layers give the body a unique shine and reflective pattern. On the back is a triple lens camera with 2 sensors inside the single section, and the third sits below on its own. The design is just like the P20 Pro, a fingerprint sensor at the top center of the rear panel. This isn't the first time we have seen a screen like this, because the Samsung has already announced the Galaxy A8s, which has a similar design like the Nova 4. It also has been rumored for a long time, and now it is also rumored that the Samsung Galaxy S10 will also look like the A8s. Samsung calls the display Infinity Q, inspired Samsung being linked with the screen technology. Huawei has been investigating notch alternatives for a while, and in July a leak discussed a Huawei screen with circular cutout rather than a notch. So we are expecting that the Huawei sub-brand owner to launch the Honor V20 with a punch hole screen as well. The front camera set inside the punch hole has 25 megapixel and f2.0 aperture plus electronic image stabilization for the video recording. Sadly, the video recording is only limited to 1080p despite being a big sensor, but still it is limited to 1080p. I don't know why Huawei will launch 2 different versions of the Nova 4, a standard version and the other one which it calls itself as the higher version. On the higher version you will get the rear camera as well as the 48 megapixel with an f1.8 aperture at the back, joined by a second 16 megapixel super wide camera lens and a third 2 megapixel to capture depth field of view. The third camera seems to be a gimmick, and I don't really consider that this phone is better than P20 Pro, but it is a Sony IMX sensor, so I can't say nothing, and I have to test it out to the limits when it comes out. So coming to the specifications, the 48 megapixel sensor has us wanting us to try the Nova 4, but what about the other specs? It has the flagship Kirin 970 processor, not the newer 980 but the 970, which is still a capable processor, and it is equivalent to Snapdragon 835. It is slightly older than the Kirin 980, which is inside the Mate 20 and Mate 20 Pro, but it is also joined by the 8 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of internal storage. The software is Android 9.0 with EMUI 9.0.1 interface over the top. The GPU technology which is called the GPU Turbo, of course, is still there, and you will get an enhanced gaming performance. The battery is 3750 milliamp hours of cell, which is enough for day-to-day usage, and it is now not even considered as big because every other phone is coming with 5000, 4000 as well as 6000, so it is not considered new. And you're getting the USB Type-C charging with fast charging enabled, which is really good. It is now only available in the China, but pre-orders will begin at the end of 2018, and you can expect deliveries within 15 January. And it is really good that this device might be priced equivalent to $500, which I don't consider that is really high. And the lower version of the Nova 4 costs around $450, which is insanely good for this type of thing, because I really like the unique idea of a punch hole screen as well as everything you have never seen before. And you can also see the gradient type of colors at the back which shine. and it is a really good alternative for the P20 Pro buyers, and this one is the one to go. You get the same processor and everything else, but with a better camera. Had to be tested, guys. So this was it for the video. Hope you guys liked it, shared it, and subscribe to Team AA for more tech videos like this. This is your host Arezasan from Team AA, and I'm signing out. Peace out.